As we mentioned in the first video, it's important to be pre-qualified. While everyone's dream home is sure to differ, the initial question that comes to mind when purchasing your first home is usually, how much can I afford? From single buyers to large families, the right decision in terms of budgeting and monthly mortgage payments is one of the most important questions to consider when purchasing a home. The pre-qualification process is a vital step to help potential buyers assemble a workable budget that fits their unique buying needs. Once you've weighed the benefits, been pre-qualified, and decided you're ready for homeownership, these are your next steps.
During the pre-qualification process, you'll be exposed to a sea of abbreviations. We're here to help you navigate and decide what size and type of loan is right for you and your first home. Some of the particular items we will be looking at that are associated with the loan are down payments, closing costs, debt ratios, and both credit and job history. When it comes to purchasing a home, the amount you can afford may be limited by the amount of the down payment and the closing costs required. The down payment is a percentage of your home's value. The type of mortgage you choose determines the down payment you will need at closing. Typical down payment amounts range from 3 to 20%. Closing costs are any fees that are associated with the processing and closing of your loan, which may include appraisals, attorney fees, taxes, and insurance. The debt ratio is important to determine the affordability of your mortgage. We compare your income to your prospective mortgage payment and existing debt. Job and income stability are crucial factors that we will review during this process. Having a good credit history is vital to your likelihood of being approved and securing a competitive interest rate. A few points difference in your credit score could cost you thousands of dollars in interest over the life of your loan. In order to determine a loan amount to fit your budget, it's essential to consider all of the different types of home loans available, from fixed rate to adjustable rate loans, and from government-backed to private mortgage insurance. Understanding the benefits and conditions of each is as critical as deciding the amount to borrow. There are many mortgages specifically designed for first-time homebuyers, and we can help tailor a loan package that fits you best. You may also qualify for many state and federal programs available to help with the down payment and closing costs. There are so many options available that a face-to-face meeting with a loan officer is time well spent. Here are some of the people you may encounter during the process: the mortgage loan originator, the processor, underwriter, and closer. The loan originator will help you with the pre-qualification and finalizing your initial loan application, can help explain all the various loan programs available, and they'll also answer any questions you may have throughout the process. The processor will send you an application package containing all of the required disclosure documents, order the appraisal, and initiate the title search. They'll also gather and organize all of the supporting documentation and present the loan to the underwriter for review. The underwriter is the person who analyzes all of the documentation and makes the final decision on your loan. The closer works with your attorney to set up the closing date after your loan has been approved, assembles your completed package for your closing day, and sends the package to your closing agent's office.
In summary, we've discussed what to expect when buying a home, working with a real estate agent you can trust, the importance of being pre-qualified, determining how much you can afford, down payments and closing costs, debt ratios, and credit history. It's important to remember that banks do not enter the negotiation, but rather fund a transaction between two separate parties. So it's important for the buyer to be proactive and informed throughout the entire negotiation process. Thankfully, being pre-qualified from a local lender and understanding the types of loans available ensures the process of finding and buying your home will be enjoyable in itself.